Another use of magnesium oxide can be used as a neutralizer. Magnesium oxide alkaline, as sorption performance is good, can be used as acid-containing waste gas, wastewater treatment, containing heavy metals, and organic waste liquid treatment, such as neutralizer. Magnesium oxide ball press is simple in structure but can play a larger role. The equipment is very stable. The overall rigidity is strong. Inclined iron pressure structure, mainly used in non-hydraulic constant pressure ball press. Convenient structure adjustment will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the screw incline, overloading another piece of inclined iron to provide a fixed thrust to the floating press roller, so that the roller can work normally for a long time. On the frame is installed with a reaction spring device and sliding track. Magnesium oxide ball press. If the pressure is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure normal operation of mechanical equipment.